Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can install Java on your Mac. The Mac version I have is MacBook Catalina, but I guess it's more or less similar, quite similar in other versions also. So for that we have to check first if we have Java or not currently installed. Let's go to top right hand side of our screen and find search icon and tap on that, and let's write terminal. If we found it, if we have found it, let's double click on that and our terminal is here. Let's check if we have Java. Okay, it says no Java runtime present, request installing. Let's go to more info. Now it opens Oracle Java web page, and let's go down, select our operating system here as macOS, and for me it's x64 machine. I will select DMG installer and I will say download, and now I will click on that. It's verifying, and now it opened a pkg package. Let's say continue, and let's say install. It will ask permission, and let's say install software, and let's say close. Yes, move to bin. Okay, let's go back to our screen, our terminal basically, and let's rerun the same command to see if Java is really installed. As you can see, Java is already installed. Okay, but where is it installed? Let's check first which Java. But for your information, this is not Java home. How can we find Java home? For that, we have to issue a command. It will be /usr libexec java underscore home. And this is the Java home path. Now let's do echo uppercase java underscore home. As you can see, right now we know where the Java home is, but we haven't set it up. A quick and fast method would be to just copy this path and say export Java home equals to this path and enter. Now this is a quick way, but this is a temporary way. To make it permanent, we have to do it in your profile or bashrc file. Okay, how can you do that? It's not that much difficult. Let's say open home/.bashrc, but before opening it, before clicking on enter, let's copy this whole phrase that we have just written, okay, and go to the end of the file and paste it and save it. And now let's close this one. Now let's write here source, and let's go back to our echo Java. As you can see, from now on, even if you close the terminal and restart the terminal, your Java home is already set, so you can use it in your programs, etc. Okay, that's it from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our video and have a great